Today we are unboxing an Acroprint timeQplus magnetic stripe. Up front is a warranty pack with the timeQplus software. It has the install key on the back, which you need, warranty, product registration, support, and quick start info. Power supply. And the unit up front, of course, is the display, the keypad, and the magnetic stripe reader. On the side, a USB connection and a reset button. On the back is a mounting bracket, a power connection, an Ethernet connection, and a 4 and 3 pin serial connection. It also comes with an Ethernet cable, a 3-pin Molex serial connector, some wall screws, wall anchors, and 15 magnetic stripe badges. And that's the Acroprint timeQplus magnetic stripe.